These are chocolate tuiles, and if you've ever wondered how patisseries get those delicate chocolate decorations, this is one of the ways they do it, with a silicone mold, a simple batter, and a technique that's more about precision than skill. Let's make them. The batter is a paste, thicker than a tuile you would spread freehand because it needs to hold fine mold detail without slumping into cavities. Whisk together the flour, cacao, icing sugar, and salt. Into that, melted refined coconut oil, aquafaba, a bit of oat milk and vanilla. Mix until smooth. You're looking for a paste that holds a ribbon for 3 to 4 seconds when dropped from a spoon. If it's too stiff, add a bit more of oat milk, 5 ml at a time. And if you have the opposite problem, add a bit more flour. Cover it and rest for 20 minutes at room temperature. Resting lets the flour hydrate fully and firms the paste slightly, and you will notice a difference immediately when you go to fill the mold. It presses in cleanly rather than dragging. Layer silicone mold flat on a baking tray. Use a small offset spatula or the back of a spoon and press the paste into the cavities firmly. You want it pushed into every bit of a detail. Then scrape the surface completely flush with the top of the mold. That scraping step is actually what creates the lacework. Any paste sitting above the mold surface will bake solid and close off those open holes. Take your time with it. Before baking, freeze the filled mold for 15 minutes. Cold paste holds its shape through the oven's initial heat as it firms up before it starts to cook, so the fine detail stays crisp rather than slumping as the batter warms. Bake at 160 degrees fan for 10 to 11 minutes. The surface should look completely dry and matte when you're ready. Don't try to judge by color because the cacao makes that basically impossible. If unsure, give it another minute. Underbaked tuiles will tear when you try to release them. This is the part most people rush and where tuiles break. Leave the mold on a tray and cool at room temperature for 25 minutes. They need to be completely cold and rigid before you touch them. The silicone needs to flex away from the tuile, and if there's any warmth left, the paste is still soft enough to tear. Store them layered between parchment in an airtight container with a silica gel packet ideally. They will keep for up to 3 days at room temperature. One thing though, never refrigerate the finished tuiles. The humidity inside the fridge will dissolve the lacework. Place at room temperature only. These are so adorable, detailed, and completely plant-based. These work beautifully as decoration for entremets, tarts, plated desserts, or anywhere you want a bit of patisserie precision. If you make them, let me know in the comments. And if you're building up to a full chocolate mango entremet, these are one of the finishing pieces, and that video is linked below. Bye!